Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 12 by 12 canvas and I've got a bunch of pink colors in front of me. I am going to be doing a painting for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I've got a bunch of pinks here. The first pink that I'm going to be using, it is from Martha Stewart Crafts and it's called Party Streamers. This one here is a light pink and it is called Permanent Rose, and that is from the Fine Touch. And also from the Fine Touch, I've got some in my bottle here and it's just called Pink. And this one here is from Liquitex Basics and it's quinacridone magenta. And then I've got white in my bottle and it is my Cloud Effect mix, which is half bare satin enamel with half Artist Loft flow acrylic. Alright, so I'm going to get my gloves on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have my gloves on and I'm actually going to be doing a kiss pour with Cloud Effect. I know a lot of people have been doing ribbon pours, but I thought I would change it up a bit. Okay guys, so here's the paintings dry and I will take you in for a closer look. I'm super happy with how they look. The color stayed nice and true and this pearl pink is just beautiful. I love how the magenta has created those lines through there. It looks really nice. And also I love this middle part. I think it looks like flowers, so I'm super happy about that. And then I've got some nice defined lines and of course some cloud effect. Looks really pretty. And then I also have this little one over here which is sort of crazy, but I still like it. And don't forget that I do have a website, traciereeddesigns.com, and I do have quite a few paintings listed there. If you're interested, click the link in my description. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.